Thank you very much for this award. I'm really honored by it because early childhood education is one of the most important things in our nation, I think, in the world, actually. And I got involved with early childhood education before I ran for the General Assembly. I was on the board of the first Orange County Smart Start and was very involved with Sue Russell, got me involved in early childhood education. I remember reading a lot about the impact of early childhood education, and so I was really sold from the beginning that it is one of the most effective roles that government plays, is to educate the next generation so that we'll have a workforce for the future, and the workforce now is going to be much more complex than it was in the past. So it's even more important. We really need to improve the salaries and the training. So we need to keep the best people in those roles and acknowledge how important our children are and be willing to pay the people that take care of them and train them the livable wage. And so that's one of my goals in the General Assembly, would be to increase that, the salaries of early childhood education workers, as well as increase the number of slots that we pay for. We do draw down some federal money, and we have to do a match for that. And so that's another goal, would be to increase the funding. It's interesting when you think about early childhood workers that they are really the workforce of our full workforce, because when children have a safe place to go, then their parents can go to work. And very few families can live on an income with only one worker now. So almost all families that have two workers need two workers. That's another reason the early childhood workforce is so important. And another reason why we should pay them and acknowledge their role in community. So I got involved with child care services really when I first started in the General Assembly, and have been a big supporter since then. It was one of the first organizations I got involved with, and one of the first issues that I got involved with. And I really appreciate all you do and how effective you've been over the years, and know that there's still a lot of work to do. And so I'll be there with you, either as a General Assembly member or as a community member. And I'm very grateful for the award. Thank you very much.